Science and discovery. Warm air rises. Paper spiral above a lamp. One sunny Monday in the heart of a bustling city, young Tim stood before his kitchen table, eager to unravel another scientific mystery. Armed with only his magnifying glass, he was about to explore the whys behind warm air rising. Tim moved the paper closer to the flickering flame. As he watched, his eyes widened in wonder as the paper began to curl and rise, spiral after spiral, defying gravity's pull. Tim quickly grabbed his ruler and measured the spiraling paper's newfound height. He recorded his findings in a small notebook, with great care. Over the next few days, Tim repeated this experiment many times, adjusting the distance between the paper and the lamp's flame to understand how heat affected the height of the spiral. He recorded every measurement meticulously. As Tim sat at his kitchen table covered in notes and measurements, he realized something incredible. The further the paper was from the flame, the shorter the spiral it created. His mind buzzed with excitement. Tim searched for answers to his question. He discovered that heat makes objects expand, causing gases within the paper to push upwards and create a spiral. This was why the spiral grew shorter as he moved the paper further from the flame. Less heat meant less expansion and less upward force. On a Friday morning, Tim stood before his school class with a spark in his eyes and the small notebook clutched tightly in his hands. He shared his experiments, findings and conclusions about warm air rising with great enthusiasm. The students listened intently as Tim explained his findings. They asked questions about the experiment, discussed the consequences of understanding this phenomenon, and marveled at the curiosity that led to such an exciting discovery. The teacher smiled warmly at Tim before encouraging all the students to continue exploring and questioning their world with curiosity and determination. She reminded them that every question was a new adventure waiting to be uncovered. As Tim walked home, his mind swirled with ideas for new experiments and adventures in science. He couldn't wait to see where the path of curiosity would take him next. The very next day, a beautiful sunny morning greeted Tim at the playground. He sat with his magnifying glass and notebook in hand, eager to unravel another scientific mystery and embark on yet another adventure. Throughout the story, Tim demonstrated the importance of curiosity, experimentation, observation, measurement, and explanation for understanding everyday phenomena. His journey encouraged young readers to embrace their own sense of discovery and continue exploring the world around them with excitement and confidence.